Great to be on stage with you, sir. It's a privilege. Sir, serious बातें हम करेंगे. I have a very important question to ask you before that. It's a very intellectually stimulating question. ये बहुत सर गंभीरता से आपको आंसर करना पड़ेगा. You'll have to look within yourself to answer this. The question is, sir, that how do you manage to remain so fit and slim and trim?
क्या बचपना गया नहीं अभी तक यार. वो खेलते रहते हैं.
बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने. Now, we all saw the AV screen. We've seen a tremendous journey for you. जब आप ये देखते हैं तो आपके मन में क्या जाता है? आप अपनी जर्नी को कैसे डिस्क्राइब करेंगे?
ये तो चीजें हैं, होती गई और विचार आते गए, बनते गए. और यहाँ से 100 गज भी नहीं है सन एंड सैंड होटल जहां यात्रा शुरू हुई थी. 1972 में मैं दहिसर में रहता था उन दिनों. और a very good art director used to be a friend of mine. Aga Jani was his name. He used to do mirror work. He had done the mirror work of Mughal-e-Azam. And he used to live in the same building that I used to. And one day he was coming to meet his director, Chand Saab. And I just tagged along with him. ये होटल बाकी यहाँ कुछ उस समय नहीं था, सिर्फ सन एंड सैंड हुआ करता था. और उस दिन जैसा आपने बताया कि सारे दिन खड़े होकर के मैं शूटिंग देखता रहा, पूरी तरह से मेस्मराइज्ड. मुझे लगा कि दुनिया की सारी चीजें इसी में हैं और मैंने ठान ली कि फिल्में बनानी है. That's how the journey began. But today, my friends, there are so many people who have helped me. So much inspiration I have got from all of you. And we are growing because of the goodwill and entrepreneurship of our robust trade and creative talent which we have here. I would definitely like to acknowledge my humble, honest and silent gratefulness to my friend Mr. Manmohan Shetty, who has been a pillar right from producing my first feature film Happy Purre to later when I came back to Mumbai in '93, giving me courage and shelter and helping me grow. Thank you, Manmohan. And a whole lot of us, fellow technicians, writers, Rakesh, Anjum, artists, each one has helped me grow. And I refuse to grow because I want to remain a child. Because I'm excited every single day of my life. Excited with these young people who are coming to me with ideas every day. Excited with you all who have, spread the whole business of cinema, the whole multiplex revolution again initiated by Manmohan. The opportunities which our industry is providing to so many people. And this has initiated this new vision, this new direction. And I'm so happy to tell you all that in this new vision of mine, my old trusted friend, younger brother, Ajay Devgan is with me. Ajay, will you please come?
Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Mr. Ajay Devgan to come up on stage.
as a filmmaker, as somebody who kind of you keep looking all your life for, one mascot. And here he was. It was like, he has given me hope, faith, and kind of the vigor to work with. We continue to look at each other. We continue to grow with each other. And today, we'll be talking about all these films. But both of us, we have decided to, do multiple productions, come together. He is presenting my Ganga Jal 2 because Ganga Jal 2 cannot be complete without Ajay.
I think, how many years we've been together now? Nearly 16 years. I remember when I was injured at home and I'd broken my hand, and he came to give me a narration of a film called Dil Kya Kare. And I really liked that film, that script, and I told him one condition, I'm going to produce it. And he said, okay. And that's where we started from. And we did some fabulous work together, thanks to him, that, films like Ganga Jal and Aparan and Rajniti and Satyagraha and all, everybody appreciated my performance, the film, and there's always been a message hidden somewhere in his films, which I think it is very important for me also to do such films, because on one side you're doing films which are completely commercial, and one side there is something which is commercial but which also says something and means something to the society. So that's where we are today, and we met, and I think the most important thing in films is today that we have great scripts, and that's what he also has. That's what I've been also working at. So we decided to get together and make good cinema. That's what we're doing. And when he narrated me Ganga Jal 2, I thought it was really fabulous, and I said, let's do it together, because obviously I don't cast in this film because the role is not for me. But
now you are a Singham.
That's besides the point. But should I tell them why also it does not suit me?
Well,
because this time he's making Ganga Jal, and I think the script demands somebody should be a heroine.
This is a female protagonist. The male protagonist is a female.
Female cop. So which is what I like the most, that we are making a film here, and we are pushing what we really need to push at the women of our country and of the world. And here a script where we show a powerful woman. Obviously in Prakash Jha films, she's not going to fly and kick people, but her fight is against the system and standing alone. So which is a very bold script, and that's why I wanted to be a part of this, and we decided to do it together. Yeah, apart from what we'll do together as me acting, that'll be satsang, that'll be somewhere.
When I finish Ganga Jal, we have decided to do Satsang, which is where Ajay Devgan plays the main lead there. And then Rajniti too, of course. But this is my story. This is our story. The most exciting story today is that while I was doing these socially committed, meaningful cinema, and everybody is looking at me, what about the entertainment? So the entertainment was, young entertainment was coming to me all the time, and I decided that let me look at the scripts. So about a year and a half ago, I started looking at the scripts. And Ritesh Menon comes with a fabulous script. The very first time I read it, I said, let's do this.